Disaster relief can reach islands only by sea or air, and after a considerable time period that gets even worse when seaport and airport facilities are damaged by a disaster. Also, the small population size makes it difficult for islands to attract media and researchers' attention. For example, let's see how many island residents we have here in this room. Only one? Is there anyone who is not an island resident? Okay, gotcha. There are a few people who didn't raise their hand in either case, so I suppose they live under the water, that's fine. I just wanted to show you one of the main reasons why most disaster-related studies focus on mainlands but not islands, and that's where my research comes in. Also, existing data show that fuel shortage is a critical issue on islands after any disaster. Without fuel, trucks cannot deliver relief items, and also fuel is needed for power generators. After Hurricane Maria, CBS reported cases of people on life support dying in Puerto Rico because their hospital generator ran out of fuel. So, motivated by this, we developed a model with the help of an optimization software to answer two questions. First, which location on the island is the best to pre-position some extra fuel to be used just after a disaster? And second, what is the best fuel delivery scheme to satisfy the immediate demand? For our case study, we considered the disasters that have hit Puerto Rico and darkened each region on this map based on the number of times it was damaged by the disasters. And as you can see, all existing fuel reserves in Puerto Rico that are shown in red are located in the high-risk dark southern and eastern areas. So to find the best alternative location, we investigated the coastal areas because they are the only ones accessible to ocean ships, and the results showed that Isabela, one of the bright locations close to the western coast, is the best location to store the fuel. But as you see, it's far from the population center and not efficient in terms of transportation time. And that's why whenever we don't have enough trucks or the damage to the roads is extensive, our model selects Manati because even though it's darker, it can better handle the trade-off of risk and time. Our model that can apply to any island, not just Puerto Rico, assumes that islands are able to store enough fuel. But sometimes in very, very large hurricanes, FEMA has to bring in ships with additional fuel. So next, we are adding those ships to our model to develop even better plans for residents so that they can get the supplies they need in a timely fashion. Thank you.